On this. Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys this. This is the ThinQ. This is the dryer up top and the washer down below. And this is super cool, super ridiculously quiet. These things here are super quiet. And the way it connects up with the ThinQ, if you have the app on your phone or whatever, you'll be able to know when your laundry's done or starting or whatever. You know, it's going to tell you everything. And look how bright it is even inside the little thing there. I mean, this is just great. And I'm not sure what model this is. I think it says it over here somewhere. There's kind of the model information, but it's super cool. And look at all the buttons you can see here. It's got wrinkle guard. It's got the steam feature. It really has everything, and it's like super smooth opening and closing. And you can see there, got water in. I guess we need to do the finish the dryer. We just got it, so only done a few test ones here. But very cool system, and it's the ThinQ by LG, and this is just awesome washer and dryer. Crazy quiet, crazy awesome, and gonna clean your stuff better than some of my other brands that I've had before. So thumbs up from me.